Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can add the search bar in the Shopify header. Now what you guys need to do to add search bar in the Shopify header, you just need to log in into your Shopify store, and after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Alright, now you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now you just need to search for search bar. There are a lot of apps that allow you guys to add the search bar to your Shopify, but there are some apps that are free, like this one, Rapid AI search bar. Okay, so let me check which one is free here. This one has like free plan available, this one also. Alright, now you want to go this one, it's called the Rapid AI search bar and filter. You want to click on install. Okay, this one has a free plan available. Right, you want to click on install. And after that, you just need to, I already made a video about this app specifically. This is just a new update, okay? So you want to click on next, and then it says here, what brings you to rapid search? I would say instant search. Okay, I would go with instant search. Now if you click on settings here, as you can see, you can like customize this as you want. You can remove powered by link. You can hide prices if you want. When someone's searching for products, as you can see, use this setting to hide all prices in the search suggestions. Hiding prices would also hide discounts and discount page too. So you can, if you don't like anything, you want to uncheck it. Okay, it says here filters. You can also customize this as you want. You can change a lot of things here, including the color filter settings. If you click on design, you can design the search bar how you want it to be. Okay, now I would like a red search bar. Okay, if someone clicks on it, as you can, I'm going to change it to this one, the item. Okay, after you are finished customizing this, what you guys need to do, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, I only have currently 2 products, so if someone search for the product, it will appear, guys. Okay, like I said, if you want to hide the price, you can hide it in the settings like I showed you guys. After you are finished, you want to click on save in the top right. Your changes has been saved, will be applied in 60 seconds. Now, like I said, the search bar will be added to your Shopify store in just 60 seconds. Like I said, you can always come back here. You want to click on back, and then you want to click if you want to change something, including if you want to hide prices, like I said, hide out of stock products. If you want to hide out of stock products that are not in stock, you just need to uncheck this. Okay, you check it. Okay, toggle it on. So that's it. After you are finished, save your changes, and that's it. Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Good day. Drop a like. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you.